There are truths in life that do not arrive with thunder. They arrive softly, in the form of endings we didn't expect, realizations we tried to avoid, and shifts that feel painful at first but later reveal themselves as divine redirections. Being replaced, being overlooked, being undervalued. These are experiences that shake the soul. And yet hidden inside them is one of the most powerful karmic lessons the universe ever teaches. When someone mishandles you, life eventually places you somewhere, or with someone, who honors your worth in ways the past never could. If you've ever questioned why someone was blind to your value, or why you weren't appreciated despite giving your best, understand this. Sometimes the universe removes you from the wrong hands so it can prepare you for the right ones. Not as revenge, but as realignment. Not as punishment, but as protection. Not because you were lacking, but because they were unprepared to receive the depth of your spirit. Before we begin this journey into karmic justice, emotional maturity, and stoic transformation, I invite you to subscribe to Beyond Vision Mindset. This channel is dedicated to the kind of wisdom that sharpens your mind, deepens your character, and protects your peace. If you're serious about your growth, your discipline, and your spiritual evolution, you belong here. 1. Karma sends you better, because your spirit evolves beyond what hurt you. Karma is not a cosmic reward system, it is a mirror. It reflects back to us the growth we've earned, the self-respect we've learned, and the wisdom we've fought to keep alive despite pain. When life sends you someone better, it is not simply replacing one person with another. It is replacing a former version of yourself with who you have become through endurance, heartbreak, introspection, and inner rebuilding. To be replaced by better means you have grown beyond the emotional level where the past belonged. It means you have healed enough to stop tolerating what once drained you. It means you have elevated your soul to a frequency that no longer resonates with the immaturity or carelessness of those who mishandled your trust. The universe does not send better randomly. It sends better when your spirit has matured enough to recognize the difference between attachment and alignment. And this form of karma is subtle. It unfolds slowly, in the moments when you begin valuing your peace over chaos, your boundaries over approval, your dignity over desperation. It unfolds when the love you offer becomes more discerning, more grounded, more in harmony with your purpose. That is when life steps in. That is when you attract the kind of person who sees your kindness not as weakness, but as a strength. Someone who meets your effort with effort. Someone who honors the vulnerability you once hid. Someone who speaks the language of loyalty, presence, and intentionality, not excuses, inconsistency, and emotional immaturity. Being replaced by better is not about winning. It is about ascending. It is about receiving the life your courage made possible. It is about stepping onto a path where you are valued not for what you endure, but for who you actually are. This is karma's quiet justice. It doesn't shatter the past, it simply lifts you above it. 2. Their karma is watching you be loved the way they never had the capacity to love. There is a pain that goes deeper than loss, the pain of recognition. When someone loses a person of depth, loyalty, and emotional richness, the universe eventually confronts them with the truth they tried to avoid. They did not lose you by accident. They lost you by character, by choices, by a lack of effort, by a lack of emotional maturity they were too comfortable to correct. Their karma is not watching you move on. Their karma is watching you be uplifted, watching you be cherished, protected, valued, not because you changed, but because someone else finally recognized what was always there. And here's the beautiful irony of karmic justice. It does not require your anger. It does not require your revenge. It does not even require your participation. Their realization grows in the silence you leave behind, a silence that becomes heavier with every moment they witness your transformation. They will notice that the qualities they once dismissed, mocked, or ignored are the same qualities your new life celebrates. They will understand that your love was not too much. It was too profound for their emotional capacity. They will understand that your standards were not unreasonable. They were simply too high for someone who refused to grow. They will understand that you were not hard to love. They were unequipped to love deeply. This is karma's sharpest truth. People do not regret losing you when they leave. They regret losing you when they realize who you became without them. Their punishment is not your success. Their punishment is recognizing that. 3. The Stoic truth. Growth is the silent revenge that requires no bitterness. The Stoics understood something profound. The greatest victories in life come without noise, without confrontation, without dramatic announcements or emotional battles. True revenge, if we even choose to call it that, is achieved through transformation, through mastery of the self, through becoming so grounded, so disciplined, so emotionally fortified that the actions of others can no longer disturb your inner world. Revenge is a reaction. Growth is a declaration. When you grow, when you elevate, when you rise beyond the emotional patterns of the past, you step into a realm where the people who once wounded you no longer have access to your spirit. Your growth becomes a fortress. Your peace becomes evidence of your evolution. Your silence becomes a language they cannot ignore. And in that silence, something else happens. They begin to see the contrast between the person they once knew and the person you have become, the contrast between their stagnation and your progression, the contrast between the love you offered them and the emptiness they settled for. Stoicism teaches that emotional detachment is not a lack of love. It is the presence of self-respect. You no longer retaliate because you no longer identify with the version of yourself that tolerated emotional chaos. Growth does not say, "You will regret losing me." Growth says, "Your regret is no longer my concern." That is the silence that speaks louder than revenge ever could. 4. The final truth. Being replaced by better is not a competition. It is a correction of destiny. People often see being replaced as a failure, but spiritually, karmically, it is not. Being removed from a situation where you were undervalued is one of the most powerful protections the universe can offer. It is a correction, not a rejection, a redirection, not a defeat. Sometimes life must break your attachments to free your soul from environments, relationships, or people who would have restricted your growth. Sometimes the universe will disturb your comfort to safeguard your future. Sometimes being replaced is the very act that places you into alignment with your true purpose. You do not lose what is meant for you. You only lose what would have limited you. And that loss becomes the space through which destiny enters. So when you are replaced by better, understand this truth. You are not competing with them. You are surpassing who you used to be. The universe replaces you in someone's life only to place you in a life worthy of your evolution. Their chapter ends. Your purpose begins. And every step you take forward becomes the clearest evidence that the universe was never against you. It was preparing you. This is karma at its highest form. Not punishment, not revenge, but the liberation of the soul from places it no longer belongs. If this message spoke to your heart, if it brought clarity, strength, or healing, make sure you subscribe to Beyond Vision Mindset. Here we dive into the wisdom of Stoicism, emotional intelligence, self-mastery, boundaries, and deep inner transformation. If you want to support this mission, to help this channel continue producing powerful, philosophical content, you can do so through Super Chat, stickers, or a small coffee contribution. Every gesture helps create more content for those who are on this path of rebirth and inner strength. Stay disciplined, stay grounded, and remember, when the universe removes you from the wrong hands, it is preparing to place you in the right ones.